The Universal Gazebo Curtain Replacement is designed to enhance your outdoor living space with its durable and high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting use and vibrant color retention. These curtains offer excellent protection against the elements, featuring waterproof, sun protection, and anti-scratch properties that make them suitable for various weather conditions. The adjustable sidewall design allows users to customize the shading experience according to the direction of sunlight, providing a comfortable and personalized outdoor setting. With easy sliding hooks and loops, these curtains ensure a seamless operation, allowing users to quickly open or close them with minimal effort. Installation is a breeze with the included hooks, enabling users to attach the curtains to the gazebo frame in just a few minutes, and they are easy to clean and store. Designed to fit most 12-foot by 14-foot gazebos, these curtains are a versatile choice for enhancing privacy and protection in your garden or backyard.